Welcome. In this video, we'll be walking through how to enable silent notifications for incoming calls on Messenger. If you're someone who gets a lot of calls at the wrong time, or simply prefers less interruption, this quick guide will help you manage those alerts more peacefully. Let's jump right into the step-by-step process. First, grab your phone and head into your main settings. This is where all the controls for your apps and notifications are located. Once you're in, scroll down the list until you find the section labeled Apps. Go ahead and tap on it. From here, search for Messenger in the list of installed applications. When you see it, tap to open the Messenger settings. This will bring up a page with different options that allow you to adjust how the app behaves on your device. Next, look for the option called Notifications. This is where you can control the different types of alerts Messenger sends you, from messages to calls. Tap on Notifications to continue. Inside this menu, you'll notice something called Notification Categories. This feature lets you get very specific by organizing different types of notifications under separate categories. Tap on Notification Categories to open it. Now you'll see several categories related to Messenger's functions. Go ahead and tap on the one labeled Incoming Calls. This section is dedicated to how you want to be notified when someone calls you through Messenger. Finally, once you're inside the incoming call settings, look for the option to change the type of notification. Here, simply select Silent. With this choice, your phone will no longer play a sound when a Messenger call comes through. You'll still receive the notification, but it will appear quietly without disturbing you, and that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled silent notifications for incoming calls on Messenger. This small adjustment makes it much easier to stay focused, avoid interruptions during important moments, and still stay connected without missing messages. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to apply it to your device and enjoy the peace of mind it offers.